issue. Now, if you look at options first, how you know that person from modify? If you look at the options first, you see the same word choices with different placement. That's how you know you're taking from modifier. See, look at A. Rabina Achi tells the story of Kichi Achi, a military hero. Kichi Achi, the military leader in the story of Rabina Achi. There was a military leader, Kichi Achi, who in Rabina Achi. Are you seeing what's going on? What is simply going on is that they are putting the object and the subject, they are simply interchanging the placement of the subject and the object. If you look at this, you know you're dealing with modifiers. And the next thing you want to go and do is identify the modifying phrase and determine what should correctly be placed after that modifying phrase. What should come first? Very important. Do you understand? Look at another case. A recent study has estimated that these crops reduce global dust emission by 60% each year. These crops reduce global dust emission. You see what's happening? The same kind of expression, but they are simply making some active, making some passive by putting the subject in the subject place in some, or by putting the object in the subject place in others. See the note we took earlier in the class, how to tell active sentences. They come in this form. There should be a subject, a verb, and an object. So the she ate the meal is an active sentence. She, subject, doer of the action, ate the verb. But this can also be said, but in a passive way. Look at how he said in a passive way. The meal was eaten by her. So we do not see who is doing the eating at first. Do you understand? So when you see your options like this, when they are simply interchanging the subject and the object, but they are the same, they are saying more or less the same thing, you know you're being tested for modifiers. So let's deal with the first question we have on this copy now. So someone should read this out from Chris Archie is a pre-colonial Maya dance and determine what the subject of the modifying phrase. When you see the modifying phrase, identify that too. Who is going? I'm listening. I'm listening. Have you read it? Rabina Achi is a pre-colonial Maya dance drama performed annually in Rabinao, a town in Guatemalan highlands, based on events that occurred when Rabina was a city ruled by a king. So the question is, what is based on events, right? It has to be this Maya dance, Rabina Achi. Do you understand? Based on events that occurred when Rabina was a city-state ruled by a king. This is a modifying phrase, based on events, because I'm left asking who or what is based on the events. So the answer that mentions this Rabina Achi first and gives me an active sentence after, an active independent clause after is the answer. Rabina Achi tells the story of Kichi Achi, a military leader who had once been an ally. So I like this, but give me Rabina Achi subject tells verb. Kichi Achi, the military leader in the story of Rabina Achi. So let's see, based on the event that occurred when Rabina was with Kichi Achi, the name of a king. So it's not the Kichi Achi that was based on events. So this is wrong. Based on the events that occurred when there was a city ruled, okay, there was a military leader. No, we have not seen what is based on the events. So the answer is A. You all see why that is the case? The next one, known as Earth's living skin, biocrust are thin layers of. I want to do this yourself. In fact, take a snap of this one. Do it yourself. Take a quick snap. Give me a minute. Let me stop the recording.